Hello and thank you for watching. I'm Ashley Van Dyke with Advantage Software, and on today's video, Find Boundary Problems, I'm going to show you another great plugin that will help you make your cleanest dictionary ever. One of the plugins that I can download and use is called Find Boundary Problems, and this plugin is run as a utility, so it's not going to add any buttons or commands. And what this does is it'll go through your main dictionary and it will produce a text file called Boundary Report. And this will show all of the entries in your dictionary where single word or multi-stroke words might interfere with one another. So here, if you use the same stroke for the word for and as the first stroke as the word formal, you might try to write something like for Mallory and instead get something like formal or he. And so this tool will analyze your dictionary and show you any possible problems. And it'll also give you some suggestions on how you can best handle those issues. So I'm going to download this plugin. And since it doesn't need to be enabled, I can immediately just run it. For this example, I've created a small main dictionary with only 800 entries that will show me only a few examples of boundary problems. If you have a large dictionary, this plugin might take a minute to run. So now that I have downloaded it, I can go to Support, Plugins, Manage Plugins. I can choose Find Boundary Problems and just hit Run. It automatically opens my main dictionary. And then once it's done, it opens the boundaryreport.txt file. And if I scroll down, it shows all of the different boundary problems that it found in only these 800 entries. Once the boundaryreport.txt opens, it gives you instructions on how to read the report. So first it'll show you a root word. It will show you a multi-stroke entry containing the root word, and then it will show you words that might interfere. Below the explanatory section are some examples of different translations that you might get and not understand. And then there are a series of possible solutions that you can apply to each of the boundary problems that you find. So here I have a boundary problem that might occur if I try to write almost or mostly. And if I scroll down, I see that I have some more examples using the root word well and welcome, and also with to and today. And these are all of the entries that it found issues with in just 800 entries from this dictionary. And so again, when you run this on a larger dictionary, it likely will take a couple of minutes and you're going to get a much larger report. Keep in mind that not all boundary problems are likely to cause you interference. You may be able to look at some of these entries and know that those writing combinations simply will never occur. Or you can global them preemptively if you think that that might be a problem you've run into or might run into in the future. Find Boundary Problems is just another tool in Eclipse to make sure that you get the right translation the first time and every time. Don't forget that Advantage Software offers anytime support. Tech support is available for any question, anytime, including weekends and holidays at 772-288-3266. Email support is also available at support@eclipsecat.com. Thank you for watching this video. Please hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new content in the future. Thank you so much and have a great day.